the Spot from across the universe. I've drawn him fighting Miles Morales, but I thought I would draw him just on his own because, well, I haven't drawn him on his own. So let's go for it. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. We're going to start with his head. Relatively simple, right? So chin will go here. His head is like shaped like a balloon, sort of, right? So square chin at the bottom, sort of round at the top. Okay, and then you basically want to bring it down the sides like that, and then in towards his chin, right? This is like the general shape of his head. Standard sort of human head kind of shape, kind of looks like a balloon, I think. So then his face, like he's got like what's like a mask, right? So he's got like this sort of black, inky, kind of textured sort of thing. And this will have like dots around it and stuff. And you can color these. I'll color them black all at once. So you can put like dots around here. Okay. So neck and shoulders, so he's kind of like hunched forward, right? So shoulders kind of come down this way. Relatively simple anatomy. Kind of one shoulder curving. It's kind of like one line, say, that goes behind his neck here. Right? And then we'll go shoulder muscle in there. Shoulder muscle in there. He doesn't really have muscles, but we'll draw it like he does, because it makes it sort of easier. So there. This arm disappears, well, both of them do, but this one disappears real short into a spot. So like here. And then this one goes a bit longer. So you got like his bicep. And then his tricep sort of comes down from his armpit. So like here. An elbow. Okay. So inside of his body, down from his arms, just there. And he's got like a bit of a belly, so he's got like a gut, so like curves around like that. And we can see like some chest lines just here. So his legs, thighs come down, disappear into a spot here. We've got like center of his torso line there. And then his hamstring and thigh muscle on that side. It's the longest bone in your body, right? It's that, so it's a long enough line. And then this one will disappear again, his calf and like his knee sort of here. He could have like a knee line. And then bottom of that leg, right? So all of these limbs are like going into a spot, and then his hands are like coming out somewhere else. So we'll do these sort of ink blot things just around his limbs. All right, and then it's like a big one, like around his leg here. And his foot is like coming out underneath on this one. So we'll put an ink blot, right? And then just like a foot. So like, I always say I don't draw feet, but we can draw this one. And his leg has another sort of ink blot sort of coming around here as well. And then more spots on his body, right? So just more of these sort of blobs. Like another one here. His chest. This one seems to have like energy or something coming out of it, going off the page. There, maybe another one here. A couple more just dotted around. Right, so he's got his hands sort of coming out, kind of like the foot, but they're like closer to us than he is, right? Kind of like floating towards the screen. So a hand coming towards us, and they're kind of drawn cartoony enough, right? So right, we'll go up here. So we'll do like a thumb first. So like curves like this, curvy line, and this comes out to his thumb, which comes around here. And they don't put knuckles or anything in, it's just like a stretched out finger. Okay, so that's like his thumb. This will go up to his index finger, which is like stretched out this way, about to grab us. And then the tip of his finger, they're kind of square on top, comes down like so. His middle finger then goes up this way, square across the top, and then comes down that way, and like we'll put a bit of a curved line just maybe on the base of the finger. And then his next finger, his ring finger, comes down this way, and we'll curve lines like so. And it kind of connects back. You can see kind of the back of the hand there. And his little finger stretched out real far out here. And then comes underneath and goes back and connects the hand there, right? So real stretched out, and you could have like a hand line here. And then we can just see his arm coming out from the sort of ink, right? This white arm just here. And then we have one of those big oozing spots just around here. Make another one floating there maybe. So his other hand then we'll put over this side, and it's kind of more of a grab. It's more like fingers turned, like kind of like this, right? So we'll start with the thumb again. So it's real big, real long. So we might come over this spot a little bit, but we'll go. Yeah, we'll do it there. Right. Back up. Okay, and then like the palm of his hand will go like just this way. And then we have 4 fingers going all here, right? So one finger. Next one. Real square. And the next one. Like so. And then we keep going. Little finger curved in like that. And then this joins his hand again. And you could have like a hand line there. Like maybe a knuckle line or something. Base of the fingers are all here. And then just like that arm coming out from the blackness, from the darkness. With all these black sort of energy lines. Just here, could go off my page maybe. And you could have like random sort of spots just like floating in the air. Fill up your page a little bit. Like that. And then he's white and just like dark inside here. It's kind of like, you could go black or dark gray. So that's it. That's how to draw the Spot from Across the Spider-Verse. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.